Dayo Jr. Assistant City Marketing Facilitator, Santiago B. Lopez Jr. Maintenance Coordinator, Grace Sheila P. Manlangit. Assistant Maintenance Coordinator, Ivy May P. Texon. PNC Coordinator, Bank Director, Christine Joy C. Chavez. Assistant PNC Coordinator, Mike Angelo A. Ubinia. Entry number 1, Tinawagan National High School, Tinawagan, Tibang, Kapatid School. We would like to acknowledge President P. Junior Principal, Tinawagan National High School. Thank you. Entry number 1, Tinawagan National High School, Tinawagan, Tigaon, Kapatid School. Second, National Leader Girls, P. Cosina. School Head, Weda P. Pacao. CPP, Marketing Facilitator, Kayla S. Second, Nelson P. Abdi Jr. Major Coordinator, Edgar V. Pinero, Angelica P. Indigo, PBCCS Coordinator, Ray Ansamento, Beverly Armignon, Marketing Coordinator, Assistant SDRRM Coordinator, Abigail K.C. Manasero, and William C. Baguio. Entry number 2, Presentacion, National High School, Santa Maria, Presentacion, Kapatid School. Entry number 2, Presentacion National High School, Santa Maria, Presentacion, Kapatid School. Next entry number 3, Ansignita Mission School, Piyong Kabuso, Kapatid School. Good men,